Real estate alternate vocabulary by subject. Subject, regulations of land use, capitalization, a way to convert a property's income figure into an estimated value. Ethics provision, a use-pay provision that requires appraisers to avoid actions that could be considered misleading or fraudulent. Competency provision, a use-pay provision that requires appraisers to have knowledge and experience necessary to complete assignments competently, and also contains specific requirements and procedures for appraisers who don't have sufficient competence. Jurisdictional exception, a use-pay provision that states that if any part of the use-pay standards, provisions or rules is contrary to the law or public policy of any jurisdiction, only that part would be considered void and of no force or effect in that jurisdiction. Area variance, a variance that permits an owner to build a structure that does not strictly comply with the zoning law's setback requirements, height limits, or other rules affecting the size or placement of buildings. Use variance, a variance that permits an owner to use the property in a way that is not ordinarily allowed in that zone. For example, a commercial use in a residential zone. Home inspection, a visual examination of the physical structure and systems of a home. Inverted pyramid, a way of visualizing ownership of real property. Theoretically, a property owner owns all the earth, water, and air enclosed by a pyramid that has its tip at the center of the earth and extends up through the property boundaries out into the sky. Patent defect, a visible, apparent defect that can be seen in a reasonably thorough inspection of property.